Hello guys, I want to introduce you. This is my birdie. His name is Falcon. He's very cute. He want to say something before I'm cook. Okay Falcon, say something please. He say if you like my video, please subscribe me. And he say comment down below. Thank you. Okay guys, today I'm going to making cassava dessert. I using one pieces of cassava. I'm going to peel off the skin. I peel off all the skin. And right now I'm going to ready all the cassava. Almost done guys. I ready all the cassava. It's very soft. Going to add half teaspoon of salt. This vanilla. Going to add this teaspoon of vanilla. Going to change the container because this is too small for me. Going to add starch. This 3 spoon of starch. Mix it well. Guys, this is brown sugar cane. I carry little pieces. I take a little bit cassava, squeeze it like that, and then now I'm going to put the brown sugar in the middle. Take a little bit brown sugar. Going to cover it, all of them. Make sure no hole on it. Because it have hole on it guys, if you fry it, so the brown sugar will be come out. So make sure no hole on it, okay? Okay, perfect. I'm going to making second one right now. Squeeze it first. Like that. Going to put brown sugar in the middle. Guys, if you like sweet, you can add more sugar, okay? You can add more white sugar because I don't like too sweet guys, and I don't like too salty, so I just put a little bit of sugar. But if you guys like sweet, you can add more sugar, okay? Okay, perfect. Okay guys, I did all of them. So right now I'm going to fry it. The heat I'm going to put number 3. Don't put too high guys, because if you put too high when you fry it, in the middle it doesn't cook enough. I'm going to put oil right now. I'm going to put some oil. Okay, enough. I'm going to fry it. Okay, wait a little bit guys. I'm going to flip it all of them. a little bit more, guys. Going to flip it one more time. It's cooked already right now, guys. So it's already turned brown. It's cooked already. So I'm going to take off all of them. It's done, guys. I'm going to put in the plate. I'm going to put all of them. Okay, guys, all done. So now I'm going to eat with the tea. This is milk tea. I love to drink tea, so I want to eat this dessert with the tea. It tastes really good. Let me try right now. There's brown sugar in the middle. Very crispy, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video. See you the next video. Bye.